Okay, this is week 5 top tweets of the week. Real quick, let's give a shout out to Michaela for that encouraging advice on Monday motivations. I think it is important to set the tone for the week for your students. If you bring energy and enthusiasm to the classroom, I think it'll be contagious to the students. Um, this first tweet talks about this ignorant man bashing black people, questioning the events of the Holocaust. It's important for students to understand that people in this world actually exist. Um, there are some cultural ties as far as Caucasians, African Americans, Jews, and Germans dealing with the extermination of Jews and the civil rights era and slavery, and how blacks were treated poorly in those times. The next tweet deals with Teddy Roosevelt uh, challenging Americans. There are better quotes, um, but this one just basically says Teddy Roosevelt is telling us as Americans that it's normal for them to protest and petition the government and basically disagree with the views of the president. And we shouldn't be ashamed of that. That's what gives us power as people in a democracy. And my last tweet deals with culturally responsive teaching. I think when we start talking about culturally responsive teaching or the word culture as a whole, we only think about race. And it's important to understand that norms, traditions, values, customs, all of those things encompass culture. So it's important to not only acknowledge race, but to not limit culturally responsive teaching to just encompassing different races and ethnic groups. And that concludes my top tweets of the week.